See, without wasting time, I will start. Okay. So, we'll solve the next problem, students. That is this question, Jane, Gupta and Malik problem. Okay, balance sheet is given. Your ratio is not given. Ratio is as per the capitals. Capitals we have to do. Okay, the partners have been sharing the ratio. Okay, 5:3:2. They have given the ratio. Fine. The Malik decides to retire. Okay, adjustments are given here. First, we'll prepare the revaluation account. Fine. Okay, revaluation account we will do. Please draw the line. I'll draw it. Please draw along with me. Write the heading, revaluation account. Debit, credit, particulars, amount rupees, particulars, amount rupees. Okay. What is the first step? See, stock rupees 20,000, office furniture 14,200, plant and machinery 23,530, land and building 20,000. It is revalued. Okay, stock is 20,000. Earlier stock amount was how much? 18,100. It has increased or decreased? It has increased. See, 20,000 it has become. Increase and where we are writing? Which side? Yes, we will write in the credit side. Very good. Yeah, we'll write in the credit side. So please write buy stock. How much it has increased? Old, yes, 20,000 now. Earlier it was 18,100. When you minus, you get 1,900. Next one, see, they are telling office furniture. It has increased or decreased. See, office furniture it is 14,250. Earlier it was 18,250. That means it has come down. It has become less. So write in the debit side. That is to office furniture. Minus it, 18,250 minus 14,250. That will give you 4,000. Okay. Next one, see, plant and machinery. It has increased. Now the value is 23,530. So buy plant and machinery. Please write the amount, minus and write 23,530 minus 20,230. Minus it. When you minus, how much you get? Yes, 3,300. Okay? Yes, good. Now, next one, what they are telling? Land and building. Land and building, yes, it has decreased. It has become less. So, land and building. How much it is? Yes, 26,000 minus 20,000. That will give you 6,000. Okay? Next is, students, provision of 1,700 to be created for doubtful debts. They have already created. I have always told provision for doubtful debts is always your expense. It is bad. So we are writing in the debit side. To provision of bad debt. How much direct amount, right? 1,700. Okay. Yes. Now next is goodwill of the firm. That will come in partners capital account. This is also partners capital account. Now we have to just balance it. Make the total. How much it is both the sides? I think 11,700 if I'm not wrong. 11,700. It is loss because this side is more. So by partners capital account. Loss you write in the bracket. For whom all? Jane, Gupta and Malik. Yes? Okay. How much is the loss? Very good. That is 6,500. You do minus. So that you have to give now. 6,500, 6,500, 6,500. Jane, what is the ratio they have given? They have given 5:3:2. So 5 divided by 10, 3 divided by 10, 2 divided by 10. How much? Here you'll get 3,250, 1,950, 1,300. Okay? Very good. Good. Yes. Now, we will solve the partner's capital account. Okay? Please draw the lines for partner's capital account. Three partners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Write the heading. Partners capital account. Debit, credit. Particulars. Particulars. That is Jane, Gupta, and Malik. Right here. Jane, Gupta, and Malik. Rupees, rupees, rupees. What is the first step in partners capital account? Yes. Buy, balance, brought down. Which is the amount you are writing, students? Yes, you write the amount from the balance sheet. That is 40,000, 60,000, and 20,000. Second step is this, you have to transfer the loss. Okay? It has come in credit side, so you'll write in a debit side. To revaluation account. Amount, all these three you write. 3,250, 1,950, 1,300. Okay? Yes. Next is what? Please check whether there is reserve fund. Is there any reserve? Not there. Yes? It is not there. But students, what is there here is accumulated profit anta ide. This profit you have to give. Remember, okay? This profit, it has to be given. Accumulated profit. It is there in which side? Here it is there in debit side. So there it will come in the credit side. Partners capital account. Remember, that one thing has to be given. By accumulated profit. How much it is? 16,750. Please give it in the ratio 5:3:2. How much you will get? Yes. 8,375, 5,025, and 3,350. See, you are getting this. This I am taking this accumulated profit, this amount, okay? Amount. You have to give it. Yeah. Yes. What is the next step? Okay. We will pass the goodwill entry. To pass the goodwill entry, student, what they have told about goodwill here? The goodwill of the firm is valued 9,000. This 9,000 rupees we have to distribute. That is the goodwill of the firm. We have to create the person's share. So I'm going to make a small note here. Note, right? Goodwill calculation. Okay, right here. Total goodwill is how much? Given 9,000. What is the ratio? 5:3:2. This is Whose share? Retiring partners. Malik's share. Jain, Gupta, Malik. So, Malik's share we will do. Malik's share, that is 9,000 into 2 by 10 I am writing. It will give rupees. Where is the rupees? Rupees how much, students? 1,800. Correct? Multiply to 9,000 into. This is goodwill of the firm. This share you are creating. Okay? Who retires here, students? 1 second. Retiring partner is who? Malik retires. Correct. Yes. Malik share we have done. Yes. Now, the remaining partners will get the share. That is Jane's share. How much it is? 1,800 into. What will be the ratio now? This person is gone. So, the ratio will be 5:3. New ratio. 5 divided by 8, isn't it? Correct? Yes. 1 second, student. The new ratio is given in the question, okay? The new ratio, see, the continuing partners agree to pay 16,500 as cash on retirement to Malik, contributed by continuing partners in the ratio 3:2. 3:2 ratio is given. The new ratio is given. So it won't be 5:3. Maybe you can write it like this. New ratio is here given in the question. New ratio is what? 3:2. If that is not given, what we used to do? We used to close this and this would be a new ratio. But here new ratio is given. Okay? In that case, what it will be? 18,000 into, who will tell? 18,000 into 3 divided by 5 it is. Okay? Maybe I'll write it for you once again. That is 18,000 Malik share given to Jane in this thing in new ratio. 3 divided by 5. How much it gives you? Rupees. If you multiply, how much you get? Please tell. Yes. 1,080. Same for Gupta. Gupta share. This 1,800 into new ratio is this. 2 by 5. How much it will give? 720 rupees. Remember, here 3 by 2 I am taking because the share is given here. Here, new ratio is given here. If they don't give this, what we do? We will close this. Then it becomes 5:3. Okay? Yes. Finish. Now this amount we will transfer there. First we will write the entry. What is the entry for goodwill? That is remaining partners account debtor to retiring partners. Who are the remaining partners now? Yes, Jane and Gupta. Malik retires, no? So Jane and Gupta are remaining. So here, by Jane's capital account, by Gupta's capital account. Retiring partner is to Malik capital account. Yes. What is the amount to write? For Jane, it is how much? Here. Jane, it is 1,080 you got. Jane. Please don't write in Jane. Who is giving here? Malik. So here, 1,080. Gupta, it is how much? Here, Gupta share 720. Do not write in Gupta. Malik, it is the giver. So, 720. Okay? Yes. The same entry is to be passed here. Malik's capital account. That is for Jane, 80. For Gupta, it is 720. Okay? Yes. This entry is done. Same it is. Easy it is. Goodwill amount is given. His share you create and give the amount. Okay? I'll just tell. Goodwill of the firm is 9,000. Malik's share, his retiring partner, his share, 2 by 10. How 2 by 10? 5 to 3 to 2, 2 by 10. It comes rupees 1,800. This you have to distribute in the new ratio. Normally new ratio, how we close this? It comes 5 to 3. But in this question, they have given the new ratio as 3 to 2. That's why we are using this 3 to 2 ratio to give this here. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. This amount we have to pass it. Okay. Now there is one more sentence to be seen, students, here. The continuing partner agreed to pay 16,500 as cash on retirement to Malik. Malik is 16,500 is given. So cash is going out. The continuing partners agreed to pay 16,500 as cash. That means Malik is getting 16,500, but from business money is going out. So cash account has to be debited. Yes, so see, it is like withdrawn. Withdrawn on right tells we always do cash account, to cash or to bank, like that. To cash account, you can write in the bracket, payment to Malik. See, what again I'm telling what it is. Continuing partners means who? That is Jain and Gupta. They agree to pay 16,500 as cash on retirement to Malik. So cash is going out of the business. Yes, that is for Malik it is. So in Malik's account, you're going to write 16,500. Okay? Finished. Okay, now we are going to balance it. And one more student, there has to be a contra entry. That is 16,500 Malik is receiving, right? Cash is going out. How they are giving the 16,500 is been given by Jain and Gupta. So, see the entry will come, one more entry will come here, students, like this here. By cash account, this 16,500 is there, no? You have to distribute in the new ratio. That is 3:2. How much it comes? See, please tell me. I will explain it once again to you. See why this entry. See the what it says. The continuing partners. Who are continuing partners? Malik retires. That means Jain and Gupta agree to pay 16,500 as cash on retirement to Malik. So Malik cash has been given. So that's why cash is debited, because cash is going out of the business. So 16,500. Okay. So that means to give 16,500, Jain and Gupta has to bring the money. Money has to come in the business, then it is going out of the business. So it is brought in what ratio? 3:2. See, they are telling, see, to be contributed by continuing partners in the ratio 3:2. Yes, ನಾನು once I will just tell in Kannada if you are not understanding. See, continuing partners ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? Jain and Gupta 16,500 rupees ಮಲಿಕ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So business in the money is going out. That's why to cash account ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Cash is debited, going out. To be contributed by continuing partners in the ratio 3:2. Continuing partners are who? Jain and Gupta. ಅವರು 3:2 ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So they have to bring the money. Cash has to come inside the business first. So when you, yeah, good. So that is, you have to distribute and give. It will be how much? Very good. This one thing you remember, okay? Into 6,600. Very good. Okay. Now finish. Now we will balance it. Okay. Shall we balance it? Yes. How much it comes? Total you do. First we'll do of Jain. Which side is more? It looks like this side is more. How much it comes? Please tell. Yeah, I think it comes 58,275. Is it? Yeah, very good. Here's the left tool. 58,275. Balancing amount will come, I think, 53,900. That is to balance carried down. Okay. Then your total will be 71,625. 71,625. Balancing amount will come 69,000. Here it is 25,150. 25,150. Balancing amount is, I'll write it up. 7,350. It is to Malik loan account. You're transferring to Malik's loan account. Okay? Same thing, you bring it down by balance brought down. That is 553,900 and 69,000. Everything is same. Here this one entry and this one entry will come in. Goodwill you understood, no? Goodwill of the firm is 9,000. Question alli kottidare here. Goodwill of the firm is valued 9,000. That 9,000 old partner share when you create 1,806. This you have to give it in this ratio. 3:2 new ratio. When you give, you will get this much. 3/5, 2/5. Adakke entry last. This entry, you know, goodwill entry. Then this entry 2 cash by cash anta aagtade. Why it is 2 cash by as cash? Continuing partners agree to pay 16,500 cash to Malik. So money goes out of the business. So cash has to be debited. So cash hogtade andre somebody has to bring the money. Who is giving? See, contributed by continuing partners. They are bringing the money. See, this much and this much they are bringing. Then that is been given. Okay? Yes. Okay. Till here you understood? Any doubts, student? Put in chat box. Okay. Now, see students, balance sheet is your homework. Okay, I will just tell roughly hege agtadanta. Balance sheet is homework as it is. Sundry creditors, telephone bill, accounts payable is this much. Same as it is, you have to copy and write. Yes, same as it is. Capital, only you are writing of Jain and Gupta. Malik loan account, you have to write separate. Either you write up here or down here, separate. Then land and building depreciation you do. Bonds, cash in hand, same. 5,500. Because this, it is same amount. Plus and minus it will become actually. So cash as it is, you can write. Okay. Cash actually, or you can show it like this. I will just show you. Cash hege agtadanta. Just imagine liability selling, asset selling cash you are writing. Inner column you will write 5,500. Plus these both. This much amount has come inside. Idu plus credit agide. The credit side, no? Credit it. 9,900 plus 6,600. Add it. 9,900 plus 6,600 minus the debit agide. Cash has been debited. Here, debit side only debited. 16,800. How much you get, student? 16,500. How much you get? Cash, it is given in the balance sheet. Okay. I'm adding this. Why? This is credit agide. This much has come inside the business. Then I'm minus why? Because this is debited. Again, cash is debited. So total how much it will give you? Total how much it will give you? Please tell. Yes, it will give you 5,500 only. So it is 5,500. But you show it like this, okay? You have to show it what has happened transaction. Then same as it is. Depreciation, appreciation, add, minus. Depreciation andre minus, appreciation andre add you should do. You should get the total 1,59,300 both the sides. Correct? Okay. Any doubts you have in this question, please tell. Okay. Yes. So next problem now, students, I will just explain it to you. You can try it. It is very easy. See, 3 partners are there. Amit, Bhima and Chandru. Partners capital is given. Yes, old ratio is not given. Old ratio is what? Other day I told you. See here, 40, 40, 20. See, what they have told, see. Amit, Bhima, Chandru are the partners sharing profits according to their capital. According to their capital ante. So what is their capital? 80,000, 40,000, 40,000. So it will become like this here. 80,000, 40,000 and 40,000. What will be the ratio? All the 0 you remove. 8:4:4. 4 ones are 2s. This will be the ratio. Okay? 2:1:1. Then this transaction is easy. Only thing here they have given the capital of the new firm is 1,20,000. It should be adjusted equally among the continuing partners. Adjustment to be made in cash. Last in online class we have done adjustment through cash like that only, but here it is not that lengthy. First revaluation account you will do, then partners capital account. Same. Balance brought down, reserve you give, revaluation account kodi, goodwill entry you have to pass. Only thing is year one calculation, that is total capital of the firm is given 1,20,000. This you have to give it in the ratio. Equally you have to divide. New ratio of the remaining partners. They have told new ratio. See, equally they have told, adjusted equally among the continuing partners. So you please try this problem. Yes, please try this problem. If you have doubts on this problem, you please ask. Because if you have understood the previous problem in my online class, then it is quite easy. Yes, please tell me, do you want me to solve this problem now or you will solve it? Please put it in the chat box. This next problem, Amit, Bhima and Chandru, you want me to solve now? Or will you try it and you'll ask me doubts? Yeah, put it in the chat box. If you want me to solve now, I can solve it now. Yeah. You can tell. Shivani, Karthik, have you understood the previous problem, what I explained? Jane, Gupta, Malik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear now why the new ratio is given? So, okay, you will try it. Okay, many have told, Hazel and all. So, please try it. By evening, you please send me. Okay, just in this problem, Jane, Gupta, Malik, everything is the same. Only thing is, goodwill, the new ratio they have given in the question. New ratio is given 3:2. In that ratio, you give it. An extra entry is for, one entry will come for cash account. Yes, cash account, which I already told. See, which was that? 16,500 is to be paid to Malik. Cash is going out. So that's why cash is debited here. So it is going out means someone has to bring the money. See, it further says contributed by the continuing partners in the ratio 3:2. So this 16,500 has to be given by Jane and Malik in the ratio 3:2. I have distributed. That is only the difference. Rest is the same here. Okay? Okay, fine. Please try the next problem. If you have doubts, please ask me. Yes, on retirement again online I am not doing. Again in physical classes only we will solve again some problems or question bank solve the problem I will solve. Then we can end this chapter. See these 3 problems which I have solved in the last class this. Till now for the final exam such questions are not asked, but I cannot guarantee that it will never come. It may come. Okay. So if it comes, please go ahead. If it won't come, then fine. Okay. Yes, students, thank you for joining. I will send the recording also in the link. You can watch it again if you want. Yes, thank you.